I'm Jeff with XDP, and we're here with Javier from Magnaflow. We're going to talk about Magnaflow Mufflers. Javier, tell us a little bit about your mufflers and what makes them different.
Our mufflers are stainless steel construction with a perforated core instead of a louvered core, which gives it that Magnaflow sound. The insulated material is a basalt, which is higher temperature, which gives it a little bit more longevity.
So Javier, you mentioned basalt. Now, I'm used to a fiberglass packing material. Is that something that's going to be more durable than the stuff that other manufacturers use?
It is. Basalt is made from spun lava, which is what makes it a little bit more durable.
So we've talked about the inside of the muffler. Tell me about the outside.
It starts with a roll of stainless steel. We have a machine that rolls the bodies, seam welds them for more durable construction.
How do I get a Magnaflow muffler on my truck?
These either come with our Magnaflow Performance systems or we have universals for multiple applications.
So that wraps it up for Magnaflow Mufflers. We'd like to thank Javier for being here, and to find out more about Magnaflow exhaust systems for your truck, check out xdp.com.